Hi, I'm Lucinda Martin, and I'd like to talk to you again about banned books, specifically about utopian books, which were banned many times over the centuries because they offered different ideas for how society should be organized. But the book that gives us the word utopia is itself bound up with banned books. Now, the author of Utopia, which was printed in 1516, Sir Thomas More, had already put together a list of banned books in 1530 as part of his job as Chancellor for the English King Henry VIII. And here we see his utopia, which he imagines as an island. An island because it was therefore cut off from other civilizations and could not take up dangerous foreign ideas. He writes the book as a travel guide, so you see the ship here, one can travel there, but as he says, even though the people were highly educated, you could not communicate with them because they had an untranslatable alphabet and language. Now, if More's book was popular today, there would probably be places in the world where it would be banned because he advocated many strange ideas, including overthrowing the rich, requiring engaged people to be nude, and banning lawyers. So some very controversial ideas. And More, by the way, was himself executed later on by Henry VIII when Henry VIII decided to abolish the Catholic Church and form the Church of England, and More did not want to go along with this. So we see that in this period, it was indeed dangerous to have controversial ideas.